look all around. Tell me what you see. Round all around, look all around. Tell me what you see. Now 1, 2, 3, I see a yellow sun shining bright. Yeah, I see birds that sing in the big blue sky. Yeah, I see mountains, mountains, trees so green, stars that shine on everything. I know God made all of these things I see. Oh, oh, I can't see, yeah. All of these things I see. Oh, oh, I can't see, yeah. Round all around, look all around. Tell me what you see. Round all around, look all around. Tell me what you see. Now 1, 2, 3, I see a yellow sun shining bright. Yeah, I see birds that sing in the big blue sky. Yeah, I see mountains, mountains, trees so green, stars that shine on everything. I know God made all of these things I see. Oh, oh, I can't see, yeah. All of these things I see. Oh, oh, I can't see, yeah. All right, let's do this. Point at something red. Red apples. Point at something purple.
Purple like grapes?
Can you point at something pink?
Oh, I love it.
You can do it. Come on and point at something orange. Ooh, here we go. I see a yellow sun shining bright. Yeah, I see birds that sing in the big blue sky. Yeah, I see mountains, mountains, trees so green, stars that shine on everything. I know God made all of these things I see. Oh, oh, I can't see, yeah. All of these things I see. Oh, oh, I can't see, yeah. All of these things I see.
Hoo! Hoo! You know what time it is?
Time to hear a story full of wonder. There's so much fun we'll have learning together. So let's go down to the clubhouse with Ollie and his friends. Let's go down to the clubhouse where wonder never ends at the Wonder Clubhouse. Me and you at the Wonder Clubhouse. Me and you.
Oh, hi, friends! I'm Luca. My friends and I have been doing scavenger hunts. I'm almost done with this one. I have to find all kinds of yellow things. Last night, I found stars. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Oh, and I saw a big yellow thing on the way to the clubhouse today. The sun. Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. The next yellow thing is a yellow flower. I love flowers. Did you see a yellow flower anywhere? Oh, you do see the flower? Where is it? There's our yellow flower. It smells so good. Now I just need to find one more thing. A yellow banana. I don't see it anywhere. If I were a banana, where would I be? Somewhere nice and cozy with all my friends. Aha! The banana was hiding with all its fruit friends.
Hoo! Hoo!
It's Ollie!
Hello, Luca. Hoo! Hoo! Finding things that are yellow, are you?
Oh, hi, Ollie. This banana was the last thing to find in my yellow scavenger hunt.
Yellow is bright and fun. It's true. I know who made yellow things for me and you. Listen to this story. Just follow me through. Hoo, hoo.
Follow me through, follow me through, who? Ollie's got a Bible story for me and you.
Well, hello everyone! I'm Aisha and welcome to my cupcake food truck. Check out today's special. Ta-da! They're my whole world cupcakes. They're for our story today because it's all about how God made the whole world and everything in it. If you're ready for a story, on the count of 3, yell, "Tell me a story." 1, 2, 3. Tell me a story. Today's true story from the Bible is all about how God made the whole world. Make a world with your hands like this. Good job! Look at all those worlds. Put your hands down now. God made the whole world and everything in it. Everything! On day 1, God made the light and the dark. And on day 2, God made sky above the water. But was God done yet? No! On day 3, God made land. Now there was land. And God gathered the waters together and called them seas. Then God created things to start growing on all the land. God grew fruit trees and grass and flowers. There were so many beautiful plants. God saw what he had made and God said, "That's good." Everyone say, "That's good" with me. That's good. But God wasn't done yet. On day 4, God made a light for the day and a light for the night. What light shines in the sky during the day? Do you know? The sun. The sun shines in the sky during the day. That's right. God made the sun to brighten up our days and help plants grow and keep us warm. And he made a light for the night. What glows in the sky at night? Yes, the moon. The moon comes out at night, and God added lots and lots of little lights up in the night sky. Do you know what they are called? Stars! Yes! God filled the night sky with stars. On day 4, God made the sun, moon, and stars. God saw what he had made, and God said, "That's good." Everyone say, "That's good" with me. That's good. Now, let's remember everything God made. On day 1, God made light and dark. On day 2, God made sky over the water. On day 3, God made land, plants, and sea. On day 4, God made the sun, moon, and stars. One more time. Day 1, light and dark. Day 2, sky over water. Day 3, land, plants, and sea. Day 4, the sun, moon, and stars. But God wasn't done yet because God made everything. Did you like the story? If you did, give it 2 thumbs up. 2 thumbs up. Oh, hey there, Ollie. Tell me, who made everything?
God made everything. Yes, it's true. Now let's hear it from you. Tell me, who made everything?
God made everything. That's the truth, friends. You better believe it. Bye.
So there's your story, and it's all true. God made the land, plants, and sea, and the sun, moon, and stars too.
Thanks, Ollie.
Goodbye to you. Hoo, hoo.
Wow, God made all the land and plants and sea. And God made the sun and moon and stars too. God made everything. I think I got the story. Did you get it? If you did, say got it. Get it? Got it! Good. Hey, God made this yummy yellow banana. And I'm gonna have it for my snack. See you next time. Bye.
God saw everything he had made, and it was very good. Genesis 1:31. God saw everything he had made, and it was very good. Genesis 1:31.